YouTube channel, and this is Team
Zulweta!
If you're just new to our channel, don't forget to support us. So please
Like,
subscribe,
and hit the notification bell
for
future
future
videos.
Okay guys, for today's vlog, we will be taking you around Daylesford. Yes, around. Okay, so we will be showing you on what to do here at Daylesford. What are the activities that you can do, so you can just sit back, relax, and see our vlog. So this is the town proper of Daylesford. It is just a small town. A lovely town. This is the town hall. And this is Hotel Frangos.
Hi guys, we're here at Trentham. I know what
Hindi
Trentham.
pwedeng pa ganyan. Kailangan ganyan tong top na to.
Andito tayo sa Trentham Falls.
hello.
And we are prepared to hike for 1.5 hours.
Yes,
Let's go.
let's go.
Ilan minutes na?
1 minute. 1 minute pala.
Oh, paano ba yan? 1 hour 29 minutes pa.
Oo nga, 1 hour 29 minutes pa. Kakapagod.
Yay! Waterfalls!
Ayan.
We have reached our destination. After 1 minute. Ba't sabi 1 hour? Baka pag gusto mong pumunta sa baba.
Oh, yun na, meron mga nasa baba.
Ayaw nga.
Okay, so let's try to go down
And watch
and watch the waterfalling. Waterfalling. It's waterfalls! Hindi natin alam kung saan tayo bababa. Magta-try lang tayo ng mga daan na nakita natin dinaanan nila. Puro lahat nakakalose. Kasi maganda dun sa baba. Tara! So let's try this.
Adventure.
Adventure! Ang sabi, no access to falls. So let's access this. Okay. So we just have to be careful, di ba? Kasi bawal yata to sa public. Pero ang daming tao sa baba, nakita namin sa taas. So let's still go there. Mga kasaway.
Tignan nyo po kung gaano katarik. Ito na yung daan. Yan yung plunge.
So, hindi lang kami ang pasaway. Andun ang mga pasaway. Nakikita niyo ba? So mga kaibigan, maraming nagbubuwis buhay pictorial over there naman. Ayan sila, oh. So guys, we have reached our destination. Welcome to Trentham Falls! Sabi ni Heaven, parang umuulan na. Eh, kasi galing sa waterfalls, anak.
dito.
Oh, di ba?
You made it.
You made it. You're at the bottom, Evan. So that's Trentham Falls. We are now at the top again, back at the top with my darling.
Pawis na pawis na.
Yeah, morning exercise. So it took us maybe 9 to 10 minutes going down, then another 10 minutes going up, but that's with Heaven. Maybe you'll be faster if you don't have a child, or maybe 15 minutes if you have a child and you are vlogging.
Taking pictures and
but you just
videos.
have to be careful because it's not an accessible pathway as
Yeah.
for
Slippery, lots of
Yes,
rocks.
Lots of rocks. You just have to be careful. Welcome to my farm. We are here at Lavandula Swiss Italian Farm. You have to pay $5 for adults and how much for the children? $1. Not bad. At least you get to smell. Naamoy niyo ba ang naamoy ko? Naamoy ko to. Takbuhan tayo. Hati ka dali.
Wait, hindi ako makatakbo.
I'll catch me. I'll catch me. Pictorial of the lovebirds.
1, 2.
Ganda.
Pumunta kami dito para dun sa Young Living Oils niya. Kuha kami tapos gagawin ko.
Extract natin. Diba? You can also buy their products from this Lavender Farm. Ayan yung mga products nila. From soap to lotion to oils, honeys, and a bunch of lavenders. So guys, I just got my lavender bunch. Yay! Pwede ko na ito ba ilagay sa bahay. $6 each bunch. So, not bad. Bango! Let's go to our next destination! So, this is our picnic ground. Wow! Dineclare lang namin. Picnic ground. And sa likod namin is a beautiful house. Look at that! A dream house. So, ayan sila. Ayan. Inayan, tatang. And then, in front of us is this magnificent view. Diba? Hello, Daylesford. Yan po ang aming tinatanaw habang nakaupo dito. Pag nakaluwag-luwag ka, syempre, hindi ka nagbabaon ng lunch. Doon, sa may boathouse. Mamaya papakita namin sa inyo, by the lake na siya ang view habang kang nagla-lunch. Tapos dun sa, ano na ulit? Springvale? Splinters Cafe. So, meron din doon by the lakes kung gusto nyo dito mag-lunch. Pero kung ikaw ay isang budgetarian like us, just bring this picnic basket and then you'll be full and then you will be enjoying this view. Look at that. Look at this view. There. Oh, diba? Relaxing. Let's go and explore the place. Ganda, diba? Maupuan nila. May paratan sila. Marami pambili itong mga to. Lake Daylesford pa lang yan. But then, siksik, liglig, umaapaw ang activities. You can swim, you can do fishing, kayaking, and just like us, just walk if you don't have any of the above. We are here at Lyonville Mineral Springs. We're about to get some mineral water. Yay! But there's no water. So we only have mineral bottle. Enjoy pa rin with the family and then just bring your bottle with you. And then sing, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. May tumutulong konti. O, pagtsagaan nyo na yan, friends. Halika.
Bukas pa tayo magtatapos.
Mag-igib ka na. So, at least dito, may tubig. Ah! Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Ayan!
Pwede na to pang export.
Ayan! Magne-negosyo na po tayo. Tingnan natin anong lasa. Bakit? Bakit mo niluwa?
Lasang mineral.
Mineral lasang kalawang. Maraming minerals.
Ganun siya. Isa sodium bicarbonate natural or soda water. Yun yung lasa niya. Yun yung lasa niya. Para siyang soda water.
So it tastes like
soda water.
Soda water. So guys, we are here at Hepburn Bathhouse and Spa right behind me. So, we just got their brochure on what do they offer. Very old. And yung prices. Okay, meron silang day retreat package, allow 4 hours regional tasting platter, mineral bathing with massage. Magkano? One person, 295. Expensive, but maybe it's relaxing, no? So for now, we will just maybe taste the mineral water that we got from there and make paligo of that. Maybe it's just the same, no? Next time we will try this. Yes, pag meron tayong budget. But you guys can go here and experience this one. Another activity that you can do for free here at Daylesford is to check their Olympic swimming pool. It's for free, guys. So if you have children like Evan, you can bring them in here so that they could swim for free. Doon tayo sa libre. Huwag tayo sa may bayad. Let's go! Are you ready? So there you go, guys. We have this free swimming pool at Daylesford. As you can see, the size of the swimming pool is an Olympic size swimming pool, and it's for free. They're open from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. every day. And so far, I've seen 3 lifeguards on duty already. Yan, yung mga naka-yellow. Ayan. Meron pa over there. So, see? It's for free na nga. May lifeguard ka pa. So, it's so safe. And I can see that the water is so clean. So, guys, if you go here at Daylesford, you can visit this free swimming pool. Sana all meron pong free swimming pool entrance fee. Tapos, ang luwag pa. Tapos, mayroon pa silang diving board over there. And then, waiting area, shaded area, another waiting area over there. See? You can have a picnic in here while waiting for the kids. Ayan. And syempre, ang mag-ama ko, dahil for free, eto na po sila. Are you guys enjoying?
Yes!
Yay! Dapat lang, libre yan. Hi guys! So, we are going at Wombat Hill here. Wombat Hill Garden. And the good thing is that we have the option of Scenic Drive. So we don't have to walk and explore. So you will just go buy the cars. So let's go and do the Scenic Drive.
Yan po, daming mga kotse.
Yan ang scenery. Scenic Drive ng Wombat Garden. Puro sasakyan. So ayan po, isang scene. Natambakan po sila ng lahar, mga kaibigan. This is it. Wow, look at that. Convent Adventure. You have to pay $5 for adults and for free for children. Yeah, we have a beautiful church inside.
It's so cute. It's so tiny.
It's so tiny and cute.
Parang tiny house.
Yeah, you can have your wedding here, no? This chapel is connected to this place. It's like a venue for a wedding, diba? Ayaw mo sa chapel, you can have your wedding here. I do! This is a very beautiful view, no? In here, a very beautiful place for wedding. This convent has been voted as one of the top 10 best venue for weddings in Australia. So, yeah, another wedding destination for you guys. So here at Lake Jubilee, you can rent a paddle boat for $25, half an hour, and a canoe Americano. Ayun siya. $18 naman yon for half an hour. Not bad, no? I-enjoy ka na. But too bad, magko-close na sila. So hindi kami makakasakay. But it's okay, we will just enjoy the view. So, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching all the activities that we have done here at Daylesford. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our vlog. See you next time to our next trip. And please, don't forget to
Like,
Subscribe
and hit the notification bell
for future videos.